Hey guys, it's Bobby Legs and welcome to another episode of Bobby Legs Loves Watches. And today I have an unboxing video for you guys. And this one also comes in via the Pass Around group on Discord with Random Rob and friends. And this is a watch that I was very interested in taking a look at. I liked the design overall and I wanted to see it in person. And so here we go. Ooh, okay. So the brand is called Vario. And then let's take a look here and see. Oh yeah, that's pretty neat. Yeah, I like that. That's a really nice, beautiful green, almost like an emerald green color in the dial. And you got this center, in the center of the dial, you have this pattern here, and then you have more of a polished on the outer part of the dial, or more of a sunburst, sorry. And it looks like the hour hands, the hour markers are in a gold tone. No lume on this one. Um, that hour hand looks like it's a sector hour hand kind of, or I've seen in sector hands. Let's give this a wind. Case back here. All right, let's pop. Oh, yeah, it started winding up right there. Manual movement, it looks like. I know nothing about this watch, but I'll certainly have a full report on the review. But this is, I don't know, I kind of like it. I kind of dig it. It's a pretty good looking watch. Let me take off. By the way, I'm wearing the Tudor Black Bay 58, my favorite watch in my collection by a long shot for a whole lot of reasons. And let's get this guy on here. I kind of dig this green, you know. Now it's a small watch. I think it's 36. It feels like it's a little smaller, to be honest with you. But oh yeah, that's a good looking watch there. Not too bad. Well, I look forward to getting to know this watch a little bit more and digging in deep and present to you guys a review coming soon. So anyway, guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.